Hi guys. Okay, here's what you need to do this week. So this starts on Wednesday, or September 30th. This is going to be due by noon on Wednesday, October 7th. So those of you who are in the front part of the alphabet, so A through K, you guys are actually coming to school Monday and Tuesday. You will be working on this folder on Monday and Tuesday when you come to school, whereas if you are in the back half of the alphabet, you will be working on this at home on those Mondays and Tuesdays also. Everyone can work on this on Thursday and Friday of this week at home. So it is still due by Wednesday, whether I see you on Monday or Tuesday or don't see you on Monday, Tuesday, it is still due by Wednesday at noon on October 7th. Okay? And then, okay, so you're still in Unit 0. We are in Week 4, so this will be published for you to see. What to do this week, so you'll see that, the write-up. You have notes on solving linear equations by graphing, and then you have a worksheet to do to input your answer into Schoology, and then a homework assignment in Schoology to do. Then you're going to do solve by substitution. There's 2 parts to the notes, so watch both videos. You're going to have a worksheet for annotating. You need to upload that correctly. And then you're going to have a Schoology homework assignment for that. And then the last notes will be on elimination. You have a worksheet to complete, so you're going to upload the answers for the worksheet in here. And then you're going to solve by elimination Schoology homework assignment. So all that's due by next Wednesday at noon. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.